Let's see a cool number trick called the Magic 1089. I'll show an example. First I pick the number 742. Now reverse it. 742 reversed is 2, 4, 7. Subtract the smaller from the bigger. 742 minus 247 equals 495. Reverse the result 495. The reverse is 5, 9, 4. Add the two numbers, 495 plus 594 equals 1089. Magic. You get 1089. Why does this always happen? Let the three-digit number be 100A plus 10B plus C. And assume A is bigger than C. The difference between the number and its reverse is 99 times A minus C. Call that 99D. For any D from 1 to 9. 99D and its reverse add to 1089. Now it's your turn. Try these steps with any three-digit number whose first digit and last digit difference is greater than 1. Step 1. Write your number. Step 2. Reverse it. Step 3. Subtract smaller from bigger. Step 4. Reverse that result. Step 5. Add. Did you get 1089? If you like this trick, try different starting numbers. You can also share it with a friend.